Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 6 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, look for the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, look for the option called display, and after you find it, tap on it. And here, look for the option called screen on duration, and then tap on it. And now you should see the list of durations, and we have 5 seconds, 8 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 and 30. Honestly, I don't know why there is 5 seconds and 8 seconds and then we have 15, 20, 25 and 30. Why not do it with 10 seconds? Never mind, that's just my tangent. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, you have a list of durations. You can find the duration you like and then tap on it to select it. For example, 15 seconds, then tap on the check mark. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the buttons or the screen for 15 seconds, the screen should turn off to save power. And it should be quite soon, I think about now. Oh, no, a bit longer. Oh, here we have it. Okay. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also do this through the phone application. So I'm gonna bring my phone that is paired with our watch. And on that phone, we need to open the Zepp application. So let me zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, let's open the Zepp application. In the app, you will need to tap on device icon. And here you should see your Bip 6. And now scroll down. Tap on device settings and then tap on display and brightness. And here you have screen on duration. You can tap on it and select the duration you like and then tap on OK. And then we can close the application. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.